In this video, I'll show you how to install LinkedIn app on laptop. If you want to use LinkedIn on a laptop, the first thing to know is that the official desktop app option is for Windows laptops through the Microsoft Store. LinkedIn's Help Center says Windows users can open Microsoft Store, search for the LinkedIn app, and click Get to install it. To get started on a Windows laptop, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and open the official app page. Once you are on that page, click Get or Install. After the installation finishes, you can open the app from the Start menu, and LinkedIn says you can also pin it to your taskbar or Start menu for easier access later. When you launch the app, LinkedIn says you can sign in either with your LinkedIn username and password or by using Sign In with Browser. In that browser sign-in flow, LinkedIn redirects you through your browser to complete authentication, which can make sign-in easier on your laptop. Now, if your laptop is not running Windows, the situation is a little different. Based on LinkedIn's official help pages I found, the clearly documented laptop app install path is the Windows desktop app through Microsoft Store. LinkedIn's public download pages mainly promote the mobile apps for iPhone and Android. So on many non-Windows laptops, people usually use LinkedIn in a web browser instead of installing a dedicated laptop app. This is an inference from LinkedIn's current official download and help pages. A simple tip is to check that you are installing the official LinkedIn app from the Microsoft Store and not from an unrelated website. That helps you avoid fake downloads and make sure the app is kept up to date through the store. The Microsoft Store listing shows the LinkedIn app as a free download for Windows. So the easiest method is this. If you have a Windows laptop, open Microsoft Store, search for LinkedIn, install the app, and sign in. If you do not have a Windows laptop, use LinkedIn through your web browser instead, since that is the most reliable option currently reflected by LinkedIn's official pages. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.